bag, and today we're going to be making a yellow, beautiful cake. Beautiful yellow cake.
Hey,
Lazy Jim, what are you doing?
do you know that new yellow cake you have?
Yeah, I was just going to make it for all of our friends out
Give
there.
me one. Give me a cake.
That would
Be yellow cake.
Give me 25 cents, please.
I'll go get my money.
Yes, Liam. I mean, Lazy Jim. When would you like your cake?
7 o'clock.
PM?
Yes.
Good, because that's all the time I have, really. So,
Okay, here's my credit card.
okay. We only take change here, Lazy Jim. I didn't even read the sign. Oh, wait, you're lazy. You can't. Okay. So, first, for the yellow cake, 6 teaspoons of flour, 4 teaspoons of sugar, 1¼ teaspoons of baking soda, a dash of salt, and 2 tablespoons of shortening. Okay? So first, we add the sugar to the flour. Beautiful. Then we want...
Hey,
Yeah?
I want to do this one.
Okay.
What do you do?
You put it in the bowl, Lazy Jim. And then we just want to mix that up.
I'm gonna mix it.
Lazy Jim, you'll do the next part, okay?
Fine.
Sit because you still didn't pay yet. We just want to mix that well so we get all of those dry ingredients. Okay, so the next we're going to add a dash of salt, which is a little bit, Lazy Jim. Not too much, right? Because I don't want my cake being salt. Yes, Jim. Thank you. And then we need 2 teaspoons of shortening. We just need to get that in. Okay. Now we just mix that all together very nicely. Nice. Okay, so the next part is when we're done mixing, you take a ziplock bag and you put it in your freezer. And so you can store it for if you want to make yellow cake. So we need to freeze this thing. Are you done yet? Well, we're going to put this in our ziplock bag.
I don't believe in this magical cake making. How about you just take the bowl and dump it in?
Oh, dude. No.
I don't have time for this. I need to go to bed.
You went to bed?
7 minutes ago, I know.
Okay, well, we're going to put this in the freezer. Okay, guys, so that's how you make a yellow cake mix. So if you guys want to make a yellow cake for your easy bake, you have to follow this recipe. In the next video, we will be using that cake mix to actually make the yellow cake.
So you're saying
So